Did you know that basil has been used for centuries not just for its amazing flavor, but also for its incredible health benefits? That's right. This humble herb packs a serious punch when it comes to keeping us healthy. Hey everyone. Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the world of basil and why it's quickly becoming a superstar in health circles. You might know it as a staple in your favorite Italian dishes, but trust me, there's so much more to this herb than meets the eye. Let's be real for a moment. We all face health issues from time to time, whether it's stress, inflammation, or just the daily grind taking a toll on our bodies. And what do? We often turn to over-the-counter solutions or complicated supplements. But what if I told you that nature has already provided us with a simple, delicious solution? Many people are on the hunt for natural remedies that can support their well-being without the side effects of synthetic products. And that's where basil comes in. Alright, let's jump into the 6 key health benefits of basil. First up, basil is loaded with antioxidants. These little heroes help combat oxidative stress in our bodies, which can lead to chronic diseases. Next, basil has anti-inflammatory properties that can help reduce inflammation, promoting overall health. Thirdly, it's known to support heart health by helping to lower cholesterol levels. And if you're feeling stressed, basil can help with that too. It's considered an adaptogen, which means it helps our bodies manage stress better. Fifth, basil can aid digestion, thanks to its natural oils and compounds that promote gut health. Last but not least, it has antimicrobial properties, which can help fight off harmful bacteria. So, whether you're tossing it in a salad, blending it in a smoothie, or steeping it in tea, you're doing your body a favor. But here's the kicker. The most impactful benefit of basil might just be its ability to boost your mood. That's right. This herb isn't just about physical health, it can actually make you feel happier. Studies have shown that the aroma of basil can improve mood and reduce feelings of anxiety. Just imagine adding a bit of basil to your meals and feeling not only healthier but happier too. So, there you have it. We've explored 6 reasons why basil is the ultimate health herb: its antioxidants, anti-inflammatory properties, heart health benefits, stress relief, digestive support, and antimicrobial properties. With all these amazing benefits, it's easy to see why basil deserves a spot in your kitchen in your wellness routine. Now, I want to hear from you. What's your favorite way to use basil? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. And if you're interested in learning more about other healthy herbs, don't forget to check out our next video. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.